Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this CSS tutorial, I will show you how to change text color of HTML elements. In fact, there are three ways to change text color of HTML element. First way is by using color name, second way is by using RGB value, and third way is by using hexa value. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn all three ways. So without further delay, let's practically see how to change text color. First of all, let us create three HTML elements. Let us start coding. Change title of document to changing text color. Now let us create three HTML elements. Let us create h1 element first. This is h1 element. Put line break at the end. Now let us create another element. Let us create h2 element. This is h2 element. Put line break at the end. Now let us create p element. Now let us copy dummy text and paste it between p tag. Now let us save the file and see we could create three HTML elements or not. As you can see, we could create three HTML elements successfully. Now by using different methods, let us change text color of these elements. Now let us use CSS. To use CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us change text color of h1 element by using color name. To change text color by using color name, first we need to select element and use color property. So let us select an element. In our case, we want to change text color of h1 element, so I will select h1 element, h1, type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use color property and set the value of color property to red. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could change text color or not. Go to file, save. As you can see, we could change text color of h1 element to red. Now let us change text color of h2 element by using RGB value. So first of all, let us select h2 element. Now let us use color property and set the value of color property and RGB value. Type opening and closing parentheses. RGB value can hold the value from 000 to 255 to 55, where 000 is equivalent of black color and 255 is equivalent of white color. Now we want the color of h2 element to be red, so I will use 255.00, which is equivalent of red color. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see color of h2 element is changed to red or not. Go to file and select on save command. As you can see, the color of h2 element is changed to red. Now Let's change the color of P element to red color by using hexa value. First of all, let's select P element, type opening and closing curly braces. Now let's use color property, and set the value of color property and hexa value. Hexa value can hold value from hash sign 00000 to hash sign F. Now I want the color of P element to be red, so I will use hash sign F 0000 semicolon at the end. Now let us save file and see the color of paragraph is being changed to red or not. Go to file, save. As you can see, the color of paragraph is changed to red color. Okay guys, this was the way of changing text color and CSS. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.